Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Victor Zuakanda. If you are not subscribed on my YouTube channel, please, I would like to invite you, subscribe over here. And please follow me also on my social media, especially Facebook with the reference Victor Zuakanda, as well as Instagram, Victor Zuakanda. So during this video, we are going to introduce our series of lecture on power system protection and switchgear. Basically, we have listed 10 important topics to be discussed throughout this course. So basically, we are going to start our series of lecture on power system protection and switchgear. Here we have the heading of the course, that is power system protection and switchgear. Here we have the course overview. I have listed 10 important points to be discussed throughout this course. The first one is importance of power system protection. The second is classification of protective relay. The third is overcurrent protection. Fourth is distance protection. Fifth, pilot scheme. Sixth is differential protection. Seventh, protection of transformer and rotating machine. Eighth, circuit breakers. Ninth, protection against overvoltage. And the tenth is modern trends in power system protection. So in order to prepare and record this lesson, I have used this book mentioned here below, that is Power System Protection and Switchgear. This is the book I have used to prepare this lesson. These 10 important topics will be discussing accordingly on the upcoming lecture. If you have any query or any doubt regarding to the important topic we have mentioned here, please leave your comments on the comment box and I will be eagerly waiting to answer you. I would like also again to request you subscribe on my channel if you are not subscribed. Follow me on Facebook, Victor Zuakan, as well as on my Instagram, Victor Zuakan. So by doing that, you will be aware about the course content and everything that is related to electrical engineering. Please, I see you on the upcoming lecture.